Welcome everyone. We are to evaluate this definite integral. Okay, why is it definite integral? Because we specify the limits of integration. Right, this is the upper limit, the lower limits. In this case, here we have the upper limit to be 3, the lower limit to be -2. So how do we go about the first one? Solution. So the indefinite integral, okay, of 4 minus x raised to power 3 dx. We have, integrating this, we have 4x minus, here is x raised to power 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1. Okay, so here we have 4x, okay, minus x raised to power 4 over 4. Okay, so here you can apply limits of integration. Okay, so we have 2, we have 1. Okay, so let us take this back and substitute it back. Here we have 4 into 2 minus 2 raised to power 4 over 4. Okay, for the first one, minus, so here we have here to be -1. Okay, so for -1 we have, when we take it back, we have 4, okay, into -1 minus x is now -1 raised to power 4 over 4. Okay, so when we simplify for that, we have 4 times 2 is 8, minus 2 raised to power 4 is 16 over 4. Okay, so for the first one here, so minus, the second one is 4 times -1 is -4. Okay, minus 1 is power 4, we have to be 1. Okay, over 4. So when I open up the first one here, I have the SN to be 4, this one. Okay, so 1 in 4 is 4 times 8, I have to be 32 minus 4 in 4 is 1 times this is 16. Okay, minus, so for the second bracket here, I have the SN to be 4. Okay, so when I have 1 in 4 to be 4, 4 times 4 is -16. Okay, minus 4 in 4 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1. Okay, so 32 minus 16 is 16 over 4, which is written as 4 for the first one, minus 16 minus 1 is -17. Okay, minus 17 times this, that is plus 17 over 4. Okay, so here I can look for the LCM to be 4. 1 in 4 is 4 times 4 is 16 plus 17. Okay, so when I add up 16 and 17 together, okay, I have here 33 over 4. Okay, so when I simplify this, I have 4 times 8 will be 32 whole number 1 over 4. So please let us try to attempt the second one and let us drop your answer in the comments section. Thank you very much. Solution. Okay, so the indefinite integral of 6x squared minus 2x dx. So for this, I have 6 into x, 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 minus 2 into x, to 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1. Okay, so from here now I have 6 raised to power x raised to power 3 over 3 minus, here I have 2x, 1 plus 1 is 2 over 2. Okay, so here you can simplify, 3 here is 1, 3 here is 2, so we have 2x raised to power 3, okay, minus, here is 2, 2 here is 1, so here we have x squared. So here you can apply the limits of integration, which is 2 and 1. Okay, so from here now we have 2x raised to power 3 minus x squared. Okay, with the limits of integration, which is 2 and 1. So which is saying 2 into 2 raised to power 3 minus 2 squared. Okay, 2 squared, everything minus, when we apply this, we have 2 into 1 raised to power 3 minus 1 squared. Okay, so for 2 raised to power 3, we have it to be 8. 8 times 2, we have it to be 16 minus 2 raised to power 2, we have it to be 4. That's 2 times 2. Okay, so here minus, here we have 1 raised to power 3 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2 minus 1. So 16 minus 4 is 12 minus 2 minus 1 is 1, so 12 minus 1 gives 11. Evaluate this integral, okay? This is a definite integral because we have the limits of integration, the upper limits and the lower limits. So how do we go about this? Solution. So we are going to integrate this in respect to x. Okay, so how do we do that? It's integral of 4x is power 3 dx. So to do this, we have 4 into x is to power 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1. Okay, that gives us 4 into x is to power 4 over 4. And when we simplify this, we have x is to power 4. But the limits of integration is 3 and 0. Okay, so from here I can say my x should be 3 raised to power 4. Okay, minus, when I put 0, I have 0 raised to power 4. I have 3 times 3. Okay, so this is 81. 81 minus 0, I have my answer to be 81. The question says we should evaluate this integral. Okay, so how do we go about this? We have solution. Okay, so for an indefinite integral of x is power 3 plus s squared dx. So here we have x is power 3 plus 1. We are adding 1 to the power. So we divide everything with the power. Plus x. We are adding 1 to the power. We divide everything with the power. Okay. So from here we have x is power 4 plus x is power 3. Here over 4. Okay. Here we have over 3. Okay, so from here now we can now apply the limits of integration, which is at 2 and 0. Okay, so when we apply it, we substitute each value in here. So from x raised to power 4, we have that to be 2 raised to power 4. Okay, we are starting with 2 over 4 plus 2 raised to power 3. 2 raised to power 3 over 3. Okay, so minus, so when we substitute 0 to this, everything turns to 0 at the end of the day. Okay, so for 2 raised to power 4, we have it to be 16 over 4 plus 2 raised to power 3, we have it to be 8 over 3. So for 16 divided by 4 is 4 plus 8 over 3 over 1. So here, here you can look for the LCM to be 3. Okay, so this one is 12. Okay, plus 8. So that is 20 over 3. Okay, so the mixed fraction is a 6 whole number, 2 over 3. The question says we should evaluate this definite integral. Okay, so we have solution. How do we go about this? So the integrate a definite integral, okay? So we refer to this as definite integral because we have limits of integration, okay? We have the upper limits, we have the lower limits. So how do we do this? Okay, so when you look at 2x plus 1 squared plus 1 everything squared, instead of saying 2x plus 1, okay? 2x plus 1 multiplied by 2x plus 1. So when I open up this, I have 2 times 2x to be 4x squared, plus 2x times 1 to be 2x, plus 2x, which is this, plus 1. Which is saying 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. So if I'm looking for the indefinite integral of 4x squared plus 4x plus 1 dx, okay? So here we're having 4x, okay? 2 plus 1, I'm adding 1 to the power, dividing it by the power. So plus 4 into x into 1 plus 1, I'm dividing it by 2, plus the constant is x. So from here I have 4 over 3, okay, x raised to the power 3 plus, so this can easily go 2 here is 1, 2 here is 2, plus 2x raised to the power 2 plus x. So I can now apply limits of integration, which is 1 and minus 1. Okay, so from here now I have, so I'll substitute this back here. So I have here 4 into 1 raised to the power 3 over 3 plus 2 into 1 squared, okay, plus 1. So minus, so these two I'll substitute back. So I have here 4 into minus 1 raised to the power 3 over 3 plus 2 into 1 minus 1 squared, okay, plus minus 1. So from here now I have 4, 1 raised to the power 3 is 1, times 4 is 4, over 3, plus 1 raised to the power 1, 2 is 1, times 2. So 2 plus 1, I have this to be 3, okay. So minus, so from here I have minus 1 raised to the power 3 is same as saying minus 1 times minus 1 times minus 1. So that gives us minus 1 times 4. I have to minus 4 over 3, okay. So plus minus 1 squared is 1, times 2 is 2, okay, plus times minus 1 is minus 1, okay. So if I have to resolve what I'm having here, okay, I have this to be 3, okay, so the LCM is 3, so here you have 4 plus, you cross multiply, you have a 9, okay, minus, when we resolve this, okay, we have this to be 3, okay, so do not forget 2 minus 1 is 1, so we are working with 1 here. So here you have 3 times this is minus 4 plus, so here you have over 1, so there is 3, 3 times 1 is 3, so from here 4 plus 9 I have to be 13 over 3 minus 4 plus 3, minus 4 plus 3, I have that to be minus 1 over 3, so which is as saying 13 over 3 plus 1 over 3, so 13 plus 1, that is 14 over 3, okay, so when I change this I have 4 number 2 over 3. Thank you very much.